1037's first. Now 1065 and 96.1. How many attention tones are there? Come on, Iowa.
This is a test of the Iowa Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This concludes this test of the Iowa EAS.
As directed.
The pod meets world.
All right. Iowa's done.
More Omicron subvariants have arrived just in time for summer. What?
Delay. Hey, 1050 this. Oh, because it's NWR. I forgot.
This is a monthly test of the Southeast and South Central Wisconsin Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test is now concluded. At 1A.
I totally forgot. NOAA Weather Radio originated it.
This is the National Weather Service in the Quad Cities. The test of the weather during potentially dangerous weather situations, especially over.
Yeah, I'm not getting Dubuque right now. I am getting
This test is normally conducted by the
Dubuque.
National Weather Service each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 12 noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next available non-severe weather day. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting parts of eastern Iowa, northwest and west central Illinois, southwest Wisconsin, and northeast Missouri. This concludes the weekly test of the Weather Radio Public Warning System. We now return to normal programming.
Shut up!
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers by this system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday,
The test will be postponed until the next available good weather day.
the warning alarm transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations in north central and northeast Illinois will be activated for watches and or warnings affecting all counties in north central and northeast Illinois, as well as counties in far northwest Indiana. Reception of this broadcast in the alarm zone will vary at any given location.
This variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program. Ing. Shut up. Shut up. I said shut up!
Highs in the lower 80s.
Shut up!
Northeast winds
Shut
10 to
up!
15 miles per hour.
Shut up! Alright, we're done.